Hello dear students, welcome to social science class, chapter number 5, continents and oceans. It's for class 5th and part 6. In previous part, we have completed about continents. There are the 7 continents in the world, okay. So in before part, we also completed about continents. What is continent? Continent means large land masses is called as continents. There are 7 continents in the world. So first one, Asia. Second one, Africa. Third one, North America. Fourth one, South America. Fifth one, Antarctica. Sixth one, Europe. And seventh one, Australia. And also we have completed in previous class about Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It is the first continent. And this Asia has 3 sides, oceans. That oceans are the Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Arctic Ocean on the north place, in Pacific Ocean on the east and Indian Ocean on the south. Some landforms also we have seen here in Asian continent. Mount Everest, so it has located on the north part on Himalayas, and also it is the largest, highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is highest peak in the world. And that like Dead Sea. Dead Sea is the lowest point in the world. And also cold desert, it is Gobi Desert, and hot desert, it is Arabian deserts. So here till completed our previous part about Asia. And today's continent is there here, Africa. Africa, it is second continent. Africa is the second continent. And also see here student, it is surrounded by water bodies. Surrounded by water bodies. And next you can see here student, see here that water bodies are there here. The Mediterranean Sea, it lies to north, okay. And also see here student, the Indian Ocean, it is in the east. And next you can see here student, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean in west. Okay students, see here, Africa is the second continent. It's surrounded by water bodies, 3 sides surrounded by water bodies. The Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Mediterranean Sea located in Africa in the north place, and the Indian Ocean, it is located on the east, and the Atlantic Ocean, it is situated in west. So this like the Africa continent has the water bodies on three sides, north, east and west. So that like some important points are there here, student. Some features are there here about Sahara desert. So next, Nile river, and next Victoria Falls. Sahara desert, it is the world largest desert. World largest desert is the Sahara desert. And Nile river, so it is the world longest river. Longest river. And also Victoria Falls, it is world's largest waterfalls. Largest waterfalls. In here, Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is the highest peak. Is the highest peak. And also here in earlier the Africa is labeled that dark continent. Dark continent. Okay. So this like they have the some features of Africa continent. See a student, Sahara desert is the world largest desert. Nile river, it is the world's longest river. Victoria Falls, it's the world's largest waterfalls. And also have here Mount Kilimanjaro, it is the highest peak in the world, in the Africa continent, not in world, it is the Africa continent. Highest peak is Mount Kilimanjaro, and Asia continent, highest peak is Mount Everest. That like it is calling that the Africa continent is a dark continent because here no today here flourishing some continent here, some South Africa and Egypt are some prominent countries are this continent. South Africa and Egypt are the prominent of countries. These are the prominent countries, South Africa and Egypt. So here dark, it is a dark continent. So why it is dark continent? Because very little was known about it here. However, this title is no longer valid now. Means, so it is some far from the sun. Means how it is that this continent is some far that in earlier called that dark continent. So these are the features of the Africa continent. It is the second continent, second largest continent in the world. Okay, and it has the three sides of water in Mediterranean Sea north. Okay, and also it has the Indian Ocean in the east and Atlantic Ocean to the west. And that like these are the some features. Sahara desert, it is the world largest desert, and Nile river, it is the world longest river, and Victoria Falls, it is the world's largest waterfalls. and Mount Kilimanjaro, it is the highest peak in the Africa continent. Okay student, about Africa continent completed here. Some today's topic part 6. So you have learnt in today's topic about Africa continent. This like 2 continents are completed. So first one is Asia, second one is Africa. Okay student. So here completed today's topic, and next topic I am continuing in next period. Thank you.